Okay, I was going to make a roller bottle that has to do with immunity, keeping your immunity strong. And I use this on myself. I use this on my kids. And so a lot of people ask about it, and it sounds kind of different. So I think people are like, well, yeah, whatever. I don't really know what you're talking about. So I wanted to show how to make it, so if people wanted to try that. With the starter kit, you already have thieves and peppermint and frankincense and lemon. And those are 4 of the 6 I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. I cut it down because you can do it as strong or weaker if you want to start out because you're not sure. I tended to do it lower when I started with my kids, and now I do it stronger. Usually I use it on their back, down their spine, or to swipe it down their spine, or on their feet, like at nighttime if I go out and I put it on their feet. And so that's areas that don't tend to be very sensitive. So it usually is a great area. You don't have to worry about anything with that. So I'll start out. I cut it down though because usually I do the bigger bottles, and I did a tinier one right now because this is the one I had. So start out with lemon. I'll do 10 drops of lemon, and you just take the bottle and just drop them right into 1, 2, 3, and you just drop it straight in to the bottle. If it goes a drop or so more, it's not an exact science with this. Matter of fact, you can change it up like you want. If people have just started out and they have the starter kit, I just tell them use what you have. And then the next one is frankincense. I'm going to do 5 of this one. The next one's oregano. And this one is a powerhouse as far as immunity, and but it's very strong. So I'm doing 5 of this. Sometimes I just add a couple depending on how strong. If you made it really strong, you'd probably be able to feel like you smelled like a pizza or something. And this one comes out a lot slower. It just depends on the thickness of the oils, and that's as you get to know the oils, you'll know which ones come out faster and which ones come out slower, which is helpful so that you don't do too much. Peppermint comes out fast, so when you're adding this to water or coffee, just be ready. This one, again, I put 5. If this was a bigger bottle, say that one, there we go, then I would do more. But like I said, this is pretty concentrated right here, this size. And then tea tree. This one sometimes I put in and sometimes I don't. It just depends when I'm making it. This one I put in 5. And then the last one is thieves, and I do 10 of this one. And there's times when, you know, I either don't have the time to mess with it, or I ran out of an oil or something, and I'll do mostly thieves and just dilute it, and that's totally fine. So once you get the oils in there that you're going to use, get those in there first. Then you just you dilute it. It can be with any oil. It can be with almond oil, coconut oil. This is called V6. It's one of Young Living's products they have, and it's got several oils in it, obviously. It's what's called V6, but this one always works well, and I like the pump on it. So even when this is gone, I'll probably put another oil and just make it real easy. And just carefully pump that in there till it's full. And then you just pop on the little cap. Some of them go straight on. Some you'll need to use. A lot of oils, bottles, when you order them, they have a little tool. If not, I tend to end up with extras, so if you're anybody that lives near me, I can get you one. But if not, you just push it on to get it on. And then put the cap on, and then usually I label it. I always label it, because I never know, I never remember what was in here. But I label it on the side. Sometimes I make labels, sometimes I handwrite them. Whatever way, the key is to know what's in here. And so this one is your immunity booster. And I'm going to do another one later that's got some other oils in it. I think it's called Happy Blend or something. But it's just an upbeat blend. And I'm going to do that, pop on and do that one later.